The one big mistake that I've seen most small creators do when they first start a YouTube channel is telling people about their channel. We tend to hate their channel and affect their growth here on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why you should not share your channel link or video links to people and what you should actually do in order to see the results and growth that you desire. Let's get started. Most people, when they first start their YouTube channel, they face the temptation to share their channel links to people, friends and families, asking them to subscribe and watch their YouTube videos, especially when they post their first few videos and they are not getting any views. The good thing is, you are not in this alone. I did this and even worse. When I first started my YouTube channel called Reed, I shared my channel link even before I started posting YouTube videos. I shared to friends and families. I even took my mother's phone to subscribe to my channel. And when I started posting videos on YouTube, I created broadcast lists on WhatsApp and I shared my video links to this list and WhatsApp groups. Now, what if I told you that this is a very big mistake that could hurt your channel and potentially affect your growth? My other channel, Reed, is over 2 years old, but I recently just crossed the 1,000 subscribers mark. And this is due to this big mistake that I've been doing for several years. So like I said before, I'm going to share with you why you shouldn't share your channel links and video links to friends and families and what you should actually do in order to see the growth that you desire. The number one reason why you shouldn't share your channel links to people or you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel is that you are going to confuse the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm has just one main job: to find the right audience for your YouTube videos. It is YouTube's interest for people to watch your videos. The more people watch your videos or the more people stay longer on YouTube, the more YouTube gets their money. So it is their best interest for you to grow. It's their best interest for you to find the right audience for your YouTube channel so you can get more views. So when you post your video on YouTube, this is how the YouTube algorithm works. It will first test your video with a few audience, and when they click on your video and they like it, they enjoy it, then it now suggests it to more and more audience. So the more people interact and engage with your videos, it tells YouTube that, oh, this video is good. Now let me show it to more people. So that is how you're going to grow over time. So when you start a YouTube channel, the more you post, the more YouTube learns about your video and what your channel is all about, and the more it tests with people, and by so doing, it is going to find the right audience for your channel. And when it finally finds the right audience for your channel, you're going to see that organic growth that you always desire. Your channel is going to start growing exponentially. Now, when you share your videos to friends and families, you're going to break that chain. You're going to confuse the YouTube algorithm. You're going to feed it with wrong data. The YouTube algorithm needs clean data in order to find the right audience for your YouTube videos. When YouTube suggests videos to people, they measure click-through rate, and that is the percentage of people that sees your video, they see your thumbnail, and they click on it to watch it. Now, these people you are sharing your videos to on WhatsApp, YouTube is not aware of them. YouTube doesn't measure click-through rate through the people you have shared your videos to on WhatsApp. It measures through the people who are on YouTube, they see your video, they are impressed, and they click to watch it. That is how YouTube measures the click-through rate. And when they watch your videos for too long, that is audience retention. They enjoy it and they watch it for long. YouTube is going to start recommending your videos to a larger audience. You're going to see that growth that you've always desired. So don't try to confuse the YouTube algorithm by feeding it with the wrong data. YouTube doesn't know the people who are coming from WhatsApp. That is not how YouTube tries to find the right audience for you. And the YouTube algorithm is a very sophisticated AI model that can do that job very, very well. You can never find the right audience for your channel, even in 10 years. You can't do that better than the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm studies audience and study their viewer patterns, and that is why when you go to YouTube, when you watch something today, the next day, YouTube knows what you are likely going to watch, and it is going to recommend that to you. So YouTube understands the audience better than you can ever do. So allow YouTube to do its job. It is going to find the right audience for you. At the right time, you're going to see the growth that you desire. The second reason why you shouldn't share your videos or your channel links to friends and families is that the chance of these people you are sharing your videos or channel to, the chance of them resonating with your channel is very slim to none. The possibility that they are going to be passionate about whatever you are sharing is slim to none. For example, I was sharing my videos to my friends and families. I even took my mother's phone to subscribe to my channel on Reed. My mother is not passionate about anything that I do on YouTube. She's not passionate about video editing. She doesn't even know how to navigate on YouTube. So even if they subscribe to your channel, I call them, for a lack of a better word, fake viewers. They can subscribe to your channel, but they're not going to watch your videos, and it is going to affect your growth. It is going to hurt your channel, because if they subscribe to your channel, YouTube is going to recommend your videos to them. But when they see it, they won't click to watch. Even when they click to watch, they won't watch for too long. And it is going to send a signal to YouTube that your video is not good enough. So YouTube is not going to recommend your videos to many people, hence hurting your videos and hurting your channel. What you want for your channel is your channel attracting audience who are passionate about what you do. They are the people who are going to engage with your channel, engage with your videos, and it is going to help YouTube to push your videos even more. The third reason why you shouldn't tell anyone about your channel or share your video links to friends and family is you're going to get emotional breakdown. You know why? Because I had over 4 broadcast lists, and each of them has over 250 members, and in total that is about 1,000 members. And each time I share my video links in this broadcast list, I don't even get any views from them. And what that does to you is that it is going to break you down, because you're going to start to feel less of yourself. You'll start to ask yourself questions whether you're not good enough, because you'll be sharing your video links to these people, thousands of people, but you're not going to get any views from them because they are not passionate about what you do. So it is going to break you down. You're going to feel less of yourself. And hence, if you don't take time, you're going to quit early. So what you need to do to actually see the growth that you desire is to focus on making better content. Focus on making better YouTube thumbnails. That is going to help you to get high click-through rate, and people are going to click to watch your videos, and they're going to watch longer if you make good content. Hence, you're going to get higher audience retention, and YouTube is going to recommend your videos to a larger audience, and you're going to get more views and grow your channel faster. Focus on using better titles that are keyword rich. Focus on adding titles that people are likely going to search for, and it's going to help your videos to rank high in search results. Adding SEO and keyword rich channel description and video descriptions, and optimizing your channel. If you focus on all of these things and you post consistently, in no time YouTube is going to understand what your channel is all about and who your audience are, and it is going to recommend your videos to these people who are actually going to resonate with your videos, and it is going to help to grow your channel faster than you may even think. So don't try to confuse the YouTube algorithm. Allow it to do its work, and also focus on doing your work and doing it better. If you want to learn how to make better thumbnails, if you want to learn how to optimize your channel and how to optimize your YouTube videos and see the growth that you desire, check my channel. I have a lot of videos on these topics. And if you found value in this video, then give it a like, drop a comment down below, and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.